For him, I love the guy. We've been talking for 3 months now. Have you seen his face before? No. Have you heard his voice before? No. You have been fooled. Well, my advice to her is just common sense, isn't it? We see quite a lot on social media these days. That is the original platform for everything that is fake. So I would say be careful of anything, not just marriage proposal, business deal, anything on social media. They can clone your page. They have cloned my page before. I had to report that page to Facebook, and this person was posting every post I post. The person will go to my page, I post something that in a few minutes you would have seen it on that page. So people couldn't tell who it was, and he was asking for money. So I had to tackle the person through Facebook, and they closed down the page. So you don't know this person. You can't just accept proposal from somebody. So I saw his picture. I love his picture. You can see that there. There are white people's picture you see online. They are our brothers. There are even pictures of women you see. He's a guy. Something happened sometimes ago. I think this was to one of our brothers here on Instagram, and the person reached out, saying he was abroad and all of that. And then he wrote something that only a Nigerian could. Now only us, they talk that way. Do you know what I mean? There's a way we speak our English. So that was how he wrote it. It was Victor. Victor just said, bros, no, they do this kind of thing. Not they do this kind of thing. Well, he said, yeah, in America, which America? Now we they talk like this, Just tackle them, and the guy owned up that said, if I don't form my hand like that, the guy owned up eventually. So the person you want to say yes to, that's not how marriage works. You have to know the person, see the person. You can't be doing things by proxy. See the person. Relationship is real. You're going to live eventually with a real person. You can meet the person on social media. There's nothing wrong about that. But that's where it ends. Every other thing about the relationship cannot be social media. For him, I love the guy. We've been talking for 3 months now. Have you seen his face before? No. Have you heard his voice before? No. You have been fooled. Thank you.